Why do certain communities have higher rates of health issues? Why are some communities burdened with more health issues than others? It's not just about personal choices. Behind the statistics lie deeper, systemic challenges that shape people's access to a healthy life. Let's uncover the overlooked factors affecting the well-being of so many. Many communities lack affordable, nearby healthcare options, leaving routine checkups or treatments out of reach. Long waits, transportation issues, and high costs create barriers that disproportionately affect lower-income or marginalized groups. This unequal access often leads to untreated conditions and worsening health over time. Where you live directly influences your health. Communities with limited access to fresh food or safe parks face higher risks of obesity and mental health struggles. Worse yet, some neighborhoods are closer to pollution sources, causing respiratory diseases and other chronic conditions among residents. Historical injustices like segregation and discriminatory policies have left lasting scars on communities. These policies created economic disparities, food deserts, and underfunded schools, all of which still harm public health today. Understanding these roots is essential to address the problems fairly and effectively. Chronic stress is a silent but powerful health risk. For many underserved communities, financial instability, unsafe environments, and systemic bias create continuous stress. This stress weakens the immune system, increases blood pressure, and contributes to chronic illnesses like diabetes and heart disease. Awareness is just the first step. Advocate for policies supporting access to affordable healthcare, healthy foods, and clean environments. Engage with local organizations addressing these challenges. Even small efforts, like sharing this message, can create momentum for change and inspire hope in affected communities. Let's tackle these barriers together for a healthier, fairer future.